So we're going to unbox the package that I got from Shigetsu, and it's from the Nilux collection, and it has a letter inside. It says, "We're excited to introduce Shigetsu luggage, a stylish, purpose-driven travel essential. As someone who embodies innovation and style, you've been specially selected to receive and experience it before the official launch. We can't wait to see where you take it. With love, Shigetsu." Ay! Ayun nga, wala palang voice over dito kasi nakalimutan ko buksan yung mic ko. So, eto, magsasalita na lang muna ako. So, binuksan ko na yung package. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda nung luggage. Wala akong masabi. Yung design niya, ang minimalist na aesthetic. Sobra. Ang galing. Tapos at the same time, syempre hindi lang siya maganda. Durable din siya. Bang! Sinakyan ko na nga. Tapos, at the same time din, meron din siyang security features. Yung ganyan. Hindi ko alam yung tawag dyan eh.
I-check natin kung maganda naman din yung sa loob. Yung nasa loob niya, meron siyang tatlo. Ano to? So we got 3 travel organizer along with the luggage. It has this pocket for your gamit. It has a lot of pockets. Open this pockets dito. Wow. So I love it. Really love it. This was my luggage before, and this is my luggage now. Makapal siya compared dito. Wala yata siyang yung password. So ito may security features na siya na ganito. Mas marami yung pockets niya dito. Ito. So if I'm going to choose between these two, of course I'm going to go with this one. Bye. Whee!